Hey, Tim, it is almost time for the awards, and we thought we would get into the spirit of things. And so when we talked cocktail, I thought sparkles and, maybe a Hawaiian shirt. What is that all about?
No, it's really good. I bought this, believe it or not, in Hawaii.
Yeah. And anyway, so thanks for getting dressed up. Bob's already started without me. So are you ready to make your cocktail? It's a flirtini. We've got to get into the mood.
I have all the ingredients, and I have my glasses here if I really need them. But,
yeah, okay. So we need 70 mils of vodka.
Right. Vodka.
Yeah. Oh, dear, this is going to get old quick, isn't it?
Okay.
Don't take a swig. I'm watching you. 70 mils. 70.
I'm going to need my glasses.
Here's one I made earlier.
Yeah. Anyway, I'm just going to start without you, if that's okay, because Bob's just looking after me. 70 mils. Oh.
Yeah, I know, but how accurate?
Oh, honestly.
We got peaches in this, so
okay, great. 30 mils of. Have you got triple sec?
I haven't put the 70 in yet.
Oh, for God's sake, Tim! Everyone's going to be asleep by the time you finish this, and I'm going to be drunk.
The rest of this, I'm going to be asleep when I drink it.
What?
Hang on. There you go.
Yeah. Okay. Have you got triple sec? I forgot to ask you.
Who? Have I got what?
Pineapple juice.
Yes.
70 mils of pineapple juice.
Right. I've already put the ice in there, actually. So
yeah, that's great.
That's good.
Awesome.
Shake it all around.
Just Oh, Tim. Anyway,
tip, Tim, hold the lid on tight when you shake it.
Righto.
Get messy.
It does get messy. It's actually very nice.
There you go.
You want to try it?
So that's
nothing like hard liquor mixed with bubbles to really get you going, right?
Yeah, I've got a beer.
No, put that down. Don't put the beer in. Oh, honestly, come on, shake it up. Let's go. Okay, well done. All right, now pour that into your glass and top it up with your champers. Right, Tim, can I just give you a video, Tim? When you're on video, you're meant to be on video. But anyway, so I hope you are all looking forward to the award.
All the way to the top of it.
You've got to leave enough room for the champagne.
Yeah, well, that's why I asked if it was all the way to the top.
For a very smart man, you asked some incredible questions.
All right.
Okay. Pop it.
This? Okay.
Yeah.
This is why I drink beer, I tell you, because
I thought that was other reasons.
Oh, there's a multitude of reasons, but I've lost interest in drinking by this stage.
That's why I got Bob to do it for me.
Yeah.
So everyone can log on the 14th for free. And if you enjoyed the entertainment last year, can I tell you it's going to, this year is, I'm frightened, actually. I haven't told you. We'll talk about it later. It's going to be a great night.
That's the Moody stuff.
That's the good. All right, now drink it. Cheers.
Cheers. I'll stay with the beer, Tim.
Yeah.
Oh well, I hope you're all going to join us on the 14th of October, and we look forward to seeing you all then.